Whenever a recipe calls for chicken stock, I think the first thing that comes to our head is, oh my goodness, such high sodium, right? Even if you get 50% sodium, I mean, it's still awful. But with our new chicken herb blend, you can make your own chicken stock. You can just add like a teaspoon. You could add a tablespoon if you want it stronger. But all I have is just water, some fresh tarragon, some celery leaves, a little bit of onion, and a clove of garlic that I smashed. I also like to put in our pepper, and I chose Madagascar because it's nice, it's a little bit strong, but I just put the whole peppercorns, you know, like a pinch of them, and that's wonderful. There's other things you can do, but if you're trying to look for something super fast and quick, this is just so the way to go.